Hello everyone. So in this video, let's discuss problem B of Codeforces round 1 double not 2. So the problem name is cost of the error. So yes, let's first read the question and then we'll go through the solution. So you are given an array A of length n and an even integer k which can be 2 to up to n. You need to split the array A into exactly k non-empty subarrays such that each element of the array belongs to exactly one subarray. Basically, we are given an array A of length n and some even integer k, and we need to divide the array into k like subarrays. Next, all subarrays with even indices like second, fourth, and kth, as k is even integers, are concatenated into a single array B. After that, 0 is added to the end of array B. The cost of the array B is defined as the minimum index I such that bi is not equal to I. For example, the cost of the arrays here like b of 1 is 1, b of 2 is 2, b of 3 is not equal to 3, so answer is 3. Determine the minimum cost of the array that can be obtained with an optimal partitioning of the array into subarrays. And then take n up to 2 to the power 5. Okay, so first test case, if you see n is 3 into, we can either partition it 1 1 like this or like this. So in the second array, we have a of 1 equal to 1. A of 2 is not equal to 2. So the answer is 2 here. Here n is equal to k, so we can't do anything like we have to partition every element. So we have to take second, a of 1 is 1, a of 2 is 2, a of 3 is 3, a of 4 is 4. Answer is 5. So like this, the test cases are. To understand this problem, let's first see like one important observation that you need to see. Suppose there are 8 elements A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. N is 8 and K is 8. Then we can't do anything. Like we have to parse every single element will be partitioned into a subarray. Then we have to take A2 like event array A2, A4, A6, A8. So we have to check whether it is 1 or not. If it is 1 then good, otherwise return 1 as the answer. For this check whether it is 2 or not. If it is 2, if it is not 2 then return 2. Then this check for 3 year, then check for 4 year, otherwise return 5 answer. So this would be the case if n and k are equals. Let's see what if k is not equal to n. Okay, okay. Suppose k is 2. You can have then the partition can be either this one subarray then full this subarrays, or we can have like this then full subarrays, or like this and then full subarray here. So here one thing you notice like if k is 2, we can have the second array starting from A2, A3 or A4, A5, A6, A7 up to A8. So we can choose from this element which we want to have on the second subarray. So here we just need to find whether any of these elements is not equal to 1 or not. Then our answer would be 1 because suppose A2 is 4, then we can just return an array of A1 like, and this would be from A2 to A8. Here's even the element first element is not equal to 1. So answer is 1 here. If all the elements are 1 here, then our answer would be 2. Like we can have this partition, right? Here it is 2, so this and this can be possible, and everyone is 1, so we can't do anything. Like we can't make any partition where the second element first is different than 1. So in that case, the answer would be 2. Now suppose if k is let's erase this. Suppose k is 4 here. Then the second array we can choose is like this. We can't disturb like one element we should have. The second element can be start out of these 5 options. Like one sub-arrays can be up to this, and second sub-arrays can be from A2 or A2 A3 or A3 A4 or A3 A5 or A3 A6 or A7. In this case, the total sub-arrays would be 4. So we have like 5 options here. So here also we will check the same whether any of these elements are not equal to 1. If in that case, we will just have those elements in the second array like A5 here is not equal to 1, then if like when we concatenate, then this won't be equal to 1, so answer would be here 1. If every element is 1, then we can't do anything. Like we can partition anyway the wish we want. So a of 1 will be 1, but a of 2 will be 1. So we can return 2 as the answer. So answer can be 1 or 2, and we have to check based on this condition, like choice option and return. So that was all for this question. So if I show the implementation, it will be much more clear to you. Hmm. Okay. So I input n and k. I take the arrays a of I and I call the helper function find value to calculate the answer. So if n is equal to k, then we can't do anything. Like we have to check every second like element from 1 up to n. If a of I is not equal to 1, any element is not equal to 1, then our answer would be 1. Like otherwise we will increment, like we will check the second element, third, fourth based on every second element and will return the answer afterwards. Otherwise, as I discussed, we will have like I equals to 2, like I equals to 1 means second element up to these many choices, n minus k minus 2 choices. And if any of the element is not equal to 1, then our answer would be 1 or otherwise 2. So that's what's all for this video. Thank you.